Here's our review of Mother Neff State Park. It's a cool little RV park. It's got about 20 spots. We'll go ahead and check it out. But again, it's a state of Texas first state park. So anyway, we'll check it out. So Neff State Park is the first official state park in Texas. So it's pretty cool. Again, nice little RV park. And it's in the great state of Texas. I have about 20 something sites. It's actually the first state park here in the great state of Texas. So nice little store. Nice little facility. Let's go in and see what it looks like. Hello, how are you? Here's some of the displays, talking a little bit about the park and how it came about. It is a national park, so got park rangers here, so it's very nice. Lots of good stuff in here to learn about. More of the store. Okay, that was great. Little store in there, lots to read. So again, we're continue our view of this RV park at Mother Neff, and going to head into town for a little bit and then we'll be back. Here's some of the facilities here at Mother Neff. So there are restrooms, showers. Again, a state park. Nice area. Okay, our hike took us to the rock tower here at Mother Neff. So we just wanted to take dogs for a little walk. Check it out. And we made it. Okay, this is more of the continued view of Mother Neff RV Park. You can kind of see what the park looks very clean. It's typical RV spot there. That's where we're at, right up there. So again, super nice RV park. Highly recommend it if you're in this area. We're outside Waco, Texas. Pad sites are very level. I only have 20 sites, so there's not many of those. Again, this is where we're at. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the tour, and or I should say review. Go out there and like us, subscribe to us on our channel, Riding with the Rileys, and we appreciate you watching. Thanks.